Hey guys, this is Miss Malloy and I have with me today Dayton Haynes.
Hi.
And we're going to show you how to play a comparison game using dice and markers, and it's all about the decimals. So I want to show you what we have. So in our bag, this is our bag. In our bag there are 4 dice. So you want to take those out. And there are 2 players. So each player will get 2 dice. There is a game board. So you can see the game board looks like this. I want to make sure I hold it up correctly. You're going to slide that inside the sheet protector. We're going to go just like this. See how that turned out? And then you're going to use your marker, which is also inside your bag, and you're going to play the game using the marker. So the way the game plays, you have 2 players, and I would go ahead and turn it over on the back, and you're going to list player 1. You want to be player 1 or player 2?
Player 1.
Player 1. Dayton will be player 1, and I'll be player 2. And this is where you're going to keep score. So then back to the front. And the way we're going to play, Dayton and I are both going to roll our dice. Okay, so I have a 3 and a 2. What do you have?
6 and a 4.
A 6 and a 4. So since Dayton is player 1, I'm going to let him choose where he would like for his numbers to go first. Okay, so Dayton chose the first circle and then the first circle in the 10th place behind the decimal. Now, once he's made that choice, he cannot move his numbers. He can't trade that out. I have a 3 and a 2, and I am gonna choose to put my 3 in the 100th place and my 2 in the 1000th place. And then we're gonna roll again. Okay, let's roll again. So I have a 3 and a 1. What do you have?
6 and a 1.
6 and 1. This time I'll go first in putting my numbers in, okay? So I'm gonna put a 3 here in the 10ths and a 1 here in the 1's place. The goal is to get the biggest number. So we're gonna roll again. Roll again. And this time I have a 4 and a 2. What do you have?
A 3 and a 5.
Man, you're rolling some big numbers.
Mm-hmm.
It's your turn to go first. Where are you gonna put them? So I have a 4 and a 2 that I've got to put in these last 2 spots. And I'm gonna put the 4 first in the 100th place and the 2 in the 10th place.
Oh.
And then we're gonna look together. And Dayton's right, he did win, but why did you win, Dayton?
Because I got the highest numbers.
Yes.
I put the highest numbers in the highest slots.
Yes, so we're comparing our numbers, and if you notice, there's a 6 in the 100th place here and a 4 in the 100th place there. So Dayton did win. So we would do a little check mark right there, and then flip it over, and on the back, he's player 1, so we're gonna give him a point.
This game.
Then you are good at this game. And then we would erase our board, and it just takes a little bit of a little bit of water and takes it off perfectly, just like that. And then give it a little dry mark, and then you roll your dice and you play again. And you can play up to as many points as you want to play and as many times as you'd like to play. But the main goal is to compare the 2 numbers to find the number that is the largest. Then you can flip it up and try finding the smallest number.